What's up, Sam here. Today I'm checking out the Wiscmaker X1, a machine that's genuinely redefining desktop DTF printing by solving the industry's biggest headache, clogged printer heads. Traditional DTF printers waste ink, ruin prints, and slow everything down. But the X1's fully automated anti-clog system changes the game. It uses AI camera detection, targeted high-pressure nozzle cleaning, and an automatic ink to moisturizer mode that keeps the printer head protected when idle. And instead of flushing the entire system, it cleans on the nozzle group that's actually clogged, making it 6 times more effective and way more ink efficient. On top of that, it delivers a max resolution of 5760 by 4040 dpi, which gives you ultra-fine detail and vibrant colors that really pop on fabric. In fact, the t-shirt I'm wearing right now was printed on the X1, just to show you how clean and sharp the results look. So today, let's dive in and check out everything this machine can do. First things first, what I have here is a prototype, so I won't be able to show you the full finalized design like I usually do, but even at this stage, my first impression is that it's really compact, especially considering everything it can do. This single machine handles printing, powder shaking, drying, and cutting all in one. Yet, it still looks clean and desktop friendly. You can literally place it on a desk or a small workbench without needing extra space. They also offer 2 versions, which are listed on the screen, so you can compare them side by side. Anyway, without further ado, let's see what it can actually do, and most importantly, how the printing quality holds up. The Wiscmaker X1 works with almost any fabric you can think of: cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, you name it. So let me show you some results I tested over the past few days. And to really demonstrate the workflow, I use a family photo to make a custom print. In the app, you connect the device, import your photo, then hit print. That's it. After a few minutes, the finished DTF film comes out of the port automatically. Next, use a heat press to transfer it onto your t-shirt or any fabric item. Press for about 20 seconds, and if you don't have a heat press, no worries. You can even use a regular iron. Peel off the film and you are done. The result looks great. Vivid colors, sharp edges, and excellent detail. It stays on really well. Even after heavy washing, it doesn't peel, crack, or fade. The print stretches naturally with the fabric too, so it still looks clean and fresh even after multiple wears. The whole process looks effortless, right? That's because the X1 eliminates so many of the traditional DTF steps. Normally, you'd have to manually cut the film, shake powder, dry it, and then press it. The X1 automates all of that, making DTF printing actually enjoyable instead of a chore. As I mentioned at the beginning, the X1 solves the industry's biggest headache, clogged printer heads. So how does it do that? There are lots of patent technologies behind it, but in simple words, an AI camera detects missing lines in real time, the printer switches to a moisturizing liquid when idle to stop drying, and it cleans all the clogged nozzle group with a higher pressure. This saves ink and keeps every print sharp and consistent. It looks super cool, and it really shows how the system works. And the best part, Wiscmaker told me the ink, cleaning liquid, and moisturizing liquid all support third-party products, so you're not locked into expensive proprietary consumables. So this Wiscmaker X1, a compact, all-in-one DTF machine that finally fixes the biggest problem in this industry. The print quality is impressive, the workflow is simple, and the fully automated anti-clog system is honestly the feature every DTF printer should have had years ago. Even though what I tested is still prototype, the tech behind it already feels solid, and the results speak for themselves. If you are into DTF printing, whether it's for a small business, a side hustle, or just making custom designs at home, the Wiscmaker X1 is definitely a project to keep an eye on. It's now live on Kickstarter, so grab the early bird deals before they're gone. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.